Okay. Now I need to do some changes in real time. Okay. What we need to do means you have to set some system name. How to set? This is not our DBA job actually. I will explain in real time how it will be there. Servers will be there. I will show you. Okay. And properties. Go to properties. You can see the system name. 2 GB of memory and some system name, computer name is there. But in real time, it won't be like this. How it will be like this is okay in memory, all those things is okay. Why? Because of we have given as per our laptop requirement. Now I want to change my system name. In real time, how it will be there means three types of servers we have in real time. Okay, one is production server and QA or test server. One more is development server. Three models. First one, suppose I have a application, banking application, you have to develop, right? That one is one. QA, okay. Test, you need to test that. Once completed the development, you have to test it. That we'll call it as a QA server or test server. Okay, then finally in production. Production is www.citibank.com HSBC. Kindly mute from your end. Okay, and that is the production server. We are production DBS. We need to do development and testing also. Development means don't think like we need to do some coding, all those things. We don't have any code in the DBS. In this session, any DBA classes, any DBS, Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL, there is no coding for us. Just one or two lines. Now I want to, this is a production server. Think like a production server. It's located in some Washington or somewhere else. You need to give the name like only. See how to do that. I'll tell you that. See how it will be there. For example, change the name. This is a production server. It's located in US PRD 01 or 101. Like that it will be there. Or suppose US development. This is 101. Okay, QA 101. Like this server name will be there. Now I am planning to make it. This one is a production PROD. Okay, and 01 or like 101, you can give anything. And domain, which domain you are in, that which company you are working. Suppose you are working for google.com. Suppose if you are working in walmart.com, that is called domain. Okay, this is a work group. You have to be in this domain. If we are not in that domains, okay, cancel it. Just for change the computer name, normal keep it. See, it is saying like it is showing no but. US PRD 01 something like give this. Okay, it will change here. These are all not our activities, just I'm saying for you guys. Close it, restart now. On top of this server, we have to install SQL Server. That is our job. System renaming, giving the memory allocation, disk level, all those things is not our job. But if you know that, that will be added advantage with this. Why? Because of if you have multi skills, you will be get more opportunities. You can keep in your CVs in Windows knowledge, server knowledge, like that.
So you'll show me to how to install SQL Server today, right?
Yes, yes.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay, done. We are installing SQL Server now. Step by step, you need to know about that. What is that? Easy. Like I can say, it is easy only. Next. But every step you need to know what is what. Once if you know that, then happy. Fine. I already mounted. We mounted long back itself. Software. See this SQL Server 14. Click on that. I'm installing in E drive. See that E drive is empty. Planning to install on E drive.
Yeah, that is what I'm talking about. That SQL Server is not coming into my like VMware. So
Okay. We'll see. We'll see. Once completed my mission, we'll see that.
all right.
It will take some time. Why? Because of we have given only 2 GB of memory to this machine, right? That is the reason it is taking time. Why? Because of we have don't have more memory in our laptops. 8 GB is maximum. If you have 16 GB, you can able to keep 3 GB or 4 GB. But my laptop is only 8 GB. That is the reason I have given 2 GB. Okay, fine. This one is document. If you want to read minimal document 5 GB, something like you have to see. Not required. You can see later if you want to see. I already discussed that. This one for clusters. See, second one is cluster, adding cluster, upgrading lower version to higher version. If you have SQL Server 2005 or 8 and or 2 or 12, you can use this one to upgrade. Okay, now we are installing new mission with non-clustered standalone missions. Standalone means only there is no cluster environment. Go this one.
I have a simple question, sir.
Okay, tell me.
So, in our course outline, I saw the cluster and, upgrade the SQL Server. So this is how we're going to do it, the other options that we got?
Second
Like
options, this also we
yeah.
need to do that. We have
Yeah.
cluster concept is there. We need to build one clusters, Windows cluster on top of clusters. We need to, lot of activities we need to know. I will tell you that, okay, later.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Last classes we need to see that. It's very complicated, that one. No worries. Evaluation edition, I told 180 days will be there. Trial edition or express edition is free. If you have key, you can able to do that. It's not required for us. Keep it. Evaluation edition 180 days will be there. Then after 180 days, you have to upgrade, edition upgrade. What you want to do that? Whether you want to go with enterprise edition or standard edition. Fine. See, accept it. Go next. Show details. Yeah, this has to be satisfied. Yes, everything is done. Okay, next step. One by one, you have to see here. You can notice left side step key we have given terms, rules, Microsoft update, set of files. It is running. Once done, install rules. See that like this. Report warning, file wall is a warning. It's no problem. Go next. Everything is fine, going fine. Now, first one, second one, by default, it's not required. We don't do that. This one will do. Second one is if we have SharePoint server. Means repository, like if you want to do any documents, SharePoint is there. If you go for SharePoint server, you need to be this one. But in real time, they SharePoint, these things will be different servers. Okay, we are installing in this one. Okay, here database engine services, analysis, reporting service, integration service. If you want to be installed these 4 services in same mission, yes, you can do that. Okay, I want different. I want analysis, reporting service in different server, like that. If you want to do that, yeah, that is also you can do that. Analysis service and report service, integration services. These 3 services is belongs to MSBI developers, but server level we need to take care. Go next. Okay, see this. All those things we have. I don't want all. Only I required some. I selected all, but I analysis, reporting, I don't want. Analysis, I don't want. Data is also reporting. These are all MSBA products. Later, if you are asking client is asking integration service we require. Why? Because of I want to run any service, database. I want to automate. I want to run backups. I want to run some DBA related. Okay, I want to take a full backup and incremental backup that later. Means I want to automate. I want to schedule a job. 8 o'clock it has to run backups. 9 o'clock it has to run something. You need integration service, any server. Okay. Analysis service and reporting service is not required for this. Suppose client is asking, I want to install. We have a session also. Client is asking reporting service, install it. Yes, you can select it. Okay, later we'll see that. That will become confused. Later we can install and I will show you which location you want to do that. E. Right, we have a separate folder. E. Second, see this left side, you can see. Go here. Sure. Default instance and named instance. Default instance is nothing but system name. What you are giving the system name, that will be taken care. What we have given US PRD 101 we have given. That is called default. Named instance. Named instance means I want to give one name for this one. My name is Sharat, I can give. That is called named instance. Default is nothing but system name. Automatically it will take it. System name, it will automatically it will take it. Any doubts?
No, sir.
I will ask a small question. How many named instances you can create in this mission? Means suppose I have Sharat and Muhammad, Ayaz, like that, named. Okay, that how many you can able to create in a mission. That take it as a homework, tell me tomorrow. Okay, how many missions, how many instances you can able to create in this server. Default we have, let it run with default. Go next. Only see what are the services. Okay, distributor replay, this is also it's not required. Okay, we want to only integration service, browser, these things is integration, database engine, agent is for scheduler, these things only I required. Okay, I don't want this one, I want to remove. Go back. That is also option is there. I want to be uncheck something, come back again. Yes, you can do that one also. Go back, see this one, I don't want this one, select, unselect. Go here. Go next. Fine. See, it's not there now. What is this means? These are all services. I want to keep it automatically or manual and make it manually. Okay, I will tell you that what is the difference between automatic and manual. Okay, now automatically means if you restart your server, automatically it will, your SQL server will start. That is called manual method. Automatically it will start. Okay, that is called automatic method. I want to be installed by default. After doing that, you want to enable manual method. That is called manual. Okay, collation setting. This is very important. By default, our companies are using 1252. Okay, these are all. This is the sensitive. Now I want to make it Chinese, Turkish, some language. See, all Hungarian. Which language? Means application will be supported. If you select also, okay, don't think this customize this SQL Server 2014 database engine like that. Don't think it won't change this one. But your application I can develop with these languages. Okay, see here. You can see so many languages: Thai, Japanese, Korean, okay, Vietnam. But nobody is using. But there is some companies are there, they'll use. I don't want. Okay, cancel it. Just I'm saying that in real time, wherever I have seen, all servers are in this by default method only. Go for next. Windows authentication mode and mixed mode. What is that? Okay, Windows authentication mode means whatever login you are connecting, administrator you are connecting, that is called Windows authentication. Suppose I have one more user I want to create. I will create and I will show you. User, I am creating here. Administrator is there, right? I am creating a new user called Sharat. Description, anything. I don't want password, something password. SCRATH. SCRATH. Create. Oh, requirements. Policy. One capital letter, all those things are there. See, it's created. Now, these are all Windows. Directly, I can able to create, I can log into that server. That is called Windows. Mixed means SQL. I can create in SQL and Windows authentication. Now I am going with interview question. This one will tell you that Windows authentication. I am going that. Add that administrator. You have to add that administrator. Okay, and go the directories. See, all directories are in same location. I want to change. You can change that also. Okay, file stream is different. Okay, file stream is different. Later we'll see that. And go with next. Ready to install. Okay, these are the change we have given. All directories, system name, account type, manual method. These are the services, integration services running with this one, and administrator, directories, Everything is given. Okay, now there is an interview question is there. Suppose some middle, suppose it is running in that something happened. Okay, something happened to your machine. Its middle drop, something happened. Then where you need to see the log file means C drive program files 120 setup bootstrap. In this folder, you will get a log file. There you can see summary.txt file. Okay. Here it is not generated, right? Automatically it generate now once started. Summary.txt file will be generated. There you can see the log information, whether SQL Server has been installed completely or incomplete, as or successfully installed. All those things you can see here. Once started, setup bootstrap summary.txt file. Okay, start installation. That's it. We'll
Repeat the question one more time.
1 minute. Now tell me. Okay, almost completed. Now see, I have given this one program files. Setup bootstrap, where it is there. You have to verify where setup bootstrap is there. No, C drive. It is C drive, right? It is. Almost instance is ready. You can start working that. Fine, close it. Done. See, all features has been successfully installed. Okay, and how to use this one? Close it. Everything you can close it. It's not. Management Studio is the tool to you to work your SQL Server, whatever you want to do. Okay, and see this, like I told, right? C drive, SQL Server, program files. Here, setup bootstrap, log file, summary.txt. When it is created today, say 12 month 4th. My time is 6:30 your time only, I think so. Not bad. See. Go here, scroll this last 14, start time, end time. You can find out if you pass or see. Everything is passed, everything is fine. You can find out if any error, if you face that. Okay, it's fine. Close it. Now start Management Studio. This one is Management Studio. It's the connectivity tool. You can start working on these things. Okay, see this Windows authentication mode. This is also interview question. It will tell you that connecting server name, system name. What we have, the system name, that one is default instance. Mostly, okay, USPRD, something you have given, right? That one also same, connect it. Yes, that's new query. Okay, now I will give you some commands today. I will add in Google Drive. I'll keep starting adding the commands, how to do some. I want to work out some commands. Okay, see, you can see commands is not mandatory to see system databases we created. If you install SQL Server, system databases will be created by default. 4 databases, you can see that. What is the use? These things later we'll see, tomorrow we'll see. Just logins, how to create a login, roles, server objects, backup devices, linked servers, a replication, what is meant by publisher, subscriber, okay, management. Some will see something, logs, server logs. See server log. If you restart the machine, server log will be, you can say here. If any problem, agent is useful for schedule the jobs. Means I want to schedule backup job at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. This will be useful. This is called SQL Server instance. If I want to disconnect that, you can disconnect it, right click. Version 12, it is showing 12 means every version we have some code is there. Tomorrow I will tell you that what is that, the code and all those things. See again, see analysis services, you can see here we didn't install analysis and reporting and integration we installed, but if you have that you can create server name. We don't have that. Integration we have, see we have that. Azure storage, okay, service
That's
account.
the cloud one, sir.
Come again.
The Azure one is the cloud one, the cloud-based Microsoft
Yes.
services.
Yes. That I will teach you in last. That is also very important nowadays. I will tell you how to connect Azure and all those things also. How to build that, I will tell you that. Some basic information. Okay. Have you installed today? I think we can close the session. Tomorrow we'll start freshly. What is this and what is the use of master database and model and MSDB, MDB. Some more databases also is there inside, but you can't see that. But there is some database also is there. Have you installed? Tomorrow we'll see that. My class. I'm stopping my theory class. Tomorrow we'll discuss.
Sir, there you go. I had the same problem. Like when I did that.